So I was at an event last night and a couple people came up to me and asked me about discipline. Whether it was about fat loss or about something in their business, and they were asking me, how do I become more disciplined? So the guy with fat loss, for example, asked me, how do I become more disciplined? And I asked him, what are you trying to achieve? And he said, well, I'd like to lose more weight. And I'd be like, okay, why? And he was like, that's the problem. Without having a very clear reason behind why you need to do something, you're probably just not going to do it. There's no discipline for discipline's sake. And people look at people from the military and they're like, oh my God, they're so disciplined. They're not disciplined. They're focused on their mission, and then because that mission is so severe that it's life or death, they are forced to be disciplined. And that's kind of the thing of how you can look at life. It's if you just have these random goals, whenever they meet random resistance, your discipline is going to get crushed, right? Because there's no reason, there's no compelling thing to drive you forward. But if you have a very strong goal, a very clear goal of why you want to succeed in business, of why you want to lose weight, so then maybe you can see your kids growing up healthy, that's going to be able to propel you and make you a more disciplined person, because again, you have this big goal pulling you in and to become a better person. So it's something to think about. It's like, you're never going to become disciplined just for discipline's sake. Yes, it does become habitual after a while, but at first you have to have a really clearly defined why you need to be doing these things in order to actually pull off the discipline that's necessary, right? It's one of those things, it's like, it's simple, it's not easy. You have to take time to figure out who you want to become, what you want to achieve, and have a very, very strong and deep emotional connection to that before you can actually pull off the discipline that's necessary. Otherwise, again, just random stuff you want to be disciplined about is going to get smashed when random resistance that does, and it will eventually hit it, comes along, all right? Simple, not easy. Have a good one, guys.